you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boy, you know what you're doing. Well. Good. Good. Last 4 from the baseline. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing, Karen. Good. Now he comes up to the service line, repeats it. You know, if I was taking lessons, this is what I would do. I took one-on-ones. This covers everything. Very nice. Now you know what you're doing. That's what I'm the most proud about. Good. That's all right. You didn't let that left arm extend out enough. Again. You ought to see Karen over there, man. She's like, man, like she's from the, you know what I mean? Gonna get you on the front page of World Tennis. Firing up. Firing up. Now you get your volleys. Same thing. Holy moly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,